This is my Radio Shack pillow speaker. It was manufactured for Radio Shack, and this is today's retro review. But first, if you like these product review videos, please subscribe, rate, and comment. If you want to know when I post a new video, click the bell icon up top. Now let's do this. Some doctors say humans have the ability to learn even while they're sleeping. I purchased my pillow speaker to study for promotion while sleeping. Since I was studying on breaks at work, after work, and on weekends, why not hedge my bets and study while sleeping? Like other geeky things, Radio Shack sold these also. They had two versions, the one I had and one with the volume control. Since everything I own had a volume control, I saw no need to spend the extra $2. I placed it under the pillow with the volume loud enough for me to hear it, but not too loud where it would keep me awake. The key was to learn as I slept. As for the playback device, it must be something that could repeat the information continuously all night. In other words, my device had to have auto reverse and should operate on house power or house electricity, not batteries. Batteries drained after several hours, and high endurance batteries were expensive. Did it work? Was I promoted? Yes, I was promoted several times. Did it work? I don't know. Because, like I said, I studied on breaks, I studied after work, I studied on weekends. This was just another tool in my toolkit to study, to get promoted. So, I don't know if it actually worked or it was just a psychology thing. Point is, I got promoted. This pillow speaker is over 30 years old, and it still works. There you have it, a retro review of the Radio Shack pillow speaker. If you like these product reviews, please subscribe, rate, and comment. If you want to know when I post a new video, click the bell icon up top. Have a great day. See you next time.